Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings themselves, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. And as you can see, on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, Reset All Settings, so let's tap on it. Of course we will have to confirm it with the screen lock and tap on Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset All Settings again and simply wait until the reset operation will be done. And as you can see, for example, our system navigation changed, which means that we just successfully reset all settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.